Why do 75% of homeowners not trust their roofing contractors completely? You might reconsider after this. Meet Bob and Lisa, our unsuspecting food lovers. They're excited for a fancy dinner at their favorite spot. They order, the waiter smiles, and off he goes through the kitchen door. But wait, instead of cooking, he sprints out the back door to go find a subcontractor. Zoom in on him running down the alley. What's he up to? He sneaks into another restaurant, orders takeout, and dashes back. Back in the original restaurant, he serves the food with a grin, as if he made it himself. Bob and Lisa dig in, but soon realize they've been duped. They could have gone to the other place and saved money, or simply called the roofing company that your roofing company borrowed. Feeling betrayed, they confront the waiter, who just shrugs and mumbles, "My website says I am a roofing company." Moral of the story? Always trust roofing specialists of San Diego. They never use subcontractors. Hungry for more roofing videos from roofing specialists of San Diego? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.